It's 7:30.
Oh, 7:30. 83. Another place. Your salaries are working?
Yes.
Your salaries are working?
Sometimes.
Every Saturday.
But
So yours also is at least just working. Okay, good evening to you all. I can see one person scrap book, 2% scrap book. Oh, interest. Some homework was given to you. Are there some homework is given to you?
like you said, there is no book and we only have to.
No homework really. You have to?
We'll bring draft.
No homework, I said.
Yes.
Practice you don't need to do. That means these 3-4 people came without doing anything. Akash, go to the board. Naina, go to the board. Take one pen. Akash, write what is AQ plus PQ. Naina wrote what is A minus B whole cube.
There is more.
Then write more.
Second is
If you see,
is this right?
is it right? I will tell. Wait. Hello, cheating not do, okay? Nandana.
I don't remember the second one.
No homework, no. Anand,
Yes.
you look at the board.
Yes.
Whatever they wrote, correct or wrong?
Yes.
Okay, Alex. There is some money. अरे AC on कर रहा हूँ.
जरा वाला क्या? एक छोड़ा भी लिखूंगा. Friends.
That's everything written on the book.
Everything is.
Correct.
And this man, where is the second one?
But he has not only written it, so how can it be wrong?
Very nice. So I will give full mark for him.
No.
Then you go and write.
Okay.
So he is half right and she is full correct.
Yes.
Nandana, come here. Don't cry.
I cried.
I call Nandana, that's it. You write AQ minus PQ. Go back to your place. They also D wrote correct. Middle one, yeah, आगे वाला तो ट्रांसफर को. अभी अरे तुम और हाथ लगा तो आगे मैं तो 10 बार किया हूँ. नहीं अभी हो गया. नहीं वो वन पर गया. हो गया नहीं. तो रिमोट से करता हूँ. व्हाट्सएप इधर आई. Hello. See what she is doing? What she is doing? Cheating doing?
No, sir.
Then what? Huh?
Yeah.
Still it is wrong.
No.
No, how?
All are in positive.
See?
Second bracket, all positive first.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. चलो go back. ठीक है. ठीक है ना? ठीक है थोड़ी. हाँ बस चलो. Formula all of you have to learn. In between I'll ask Akash. Nanda thought she will try do it correct. Naina, even need to slap to.
Got it. Sunday molecular video. Then kay matches. Kay matches.
Are she will slowly only do that.
Hello, sir.
Are slowly. Hey. Hello. She why you she will also get the chance same thing. Then that time.
Very adaptive.
Oh,
Trust me. I trust you. Please.
Slowly. Okay. Don't make mistakes for the identities. Okay, chalo, sit down. Akash, no punishment for you. Are Anand, even slap to him.
Seriously.
Seriously. He's showing me to me. Okay. Chalo. Are formula compulsory should be chapter coordinate geometry also must be over linear equation also over the way. Yes, good. Chalo. Coordinate geometry we were discussing last class. Okay. Graph all of you brought now. You know how to plot the points in the graph paper? Everyone.
Yes.
First, since he brought the graph, I will make you do. Take it first quickly. Plot the following points. Why this is a common one? I will ask you to slap you.
It's school, sir.
So what? Shh. Plot the following points on the graph paper. Hello, what is she doing? Where is the scale?
I have one. Can you use an ID card?
No, another one, pencil. Hurry, I will throw these people out from here. One is without pencil, one is without scale, one is. Use the pen and draw now. What else to do? After such irresponsibility, don't do it. You don't have protractor or set square or something? After drawing x axis and y axis, draw that scale together now. For that only you need the scale now. No. Mark it quickly. Give the scale to her. Quick. This what is he doing? He's playing out. Enough here. Painting is going on. You don't know how to plot? Do it fast. By this time, time over to complete this match. So these are 7th standard work only. Got it? Quick. He is writing all stories. And you don't need to write -10 to +10. What is required, write and quickly do it. Nandana,
Sir,
class plot, start plotting
Yes.
points. Unless, no need to make rectangle, just plot the points. Graph contains all rectangles now. This is a work of maximum 2 minutes. Already 5 minutes are over.
all done.
Done. Bring it to me. What is this one different?
Yes.
Those are done. Show to me. Where is A, B, C, D? I have to name the points also now. Who will try and make it? That is not required, no? This code. Also mark the points. Go write what is A, B, C, D, E, F. Do it fast. Yeah, what is going on? These curves also they see become. Another one for others, so and if completed, bring to me August done.
Yes.
So bring it to me. Two curves are sitting. To write these out. Huh? Where which is A, which is B, which is C. A, B, C, D. It's look and see on the board now. Which is A. Okay. Also, I think you will go with along with the paper and show. Go and write that show to me. Next, you show to me, I am not still not seeing the paper. Come here. Come here. Two separate two different pages sit now. If your hand legs are paining with that one, then wear something else and come no. So that time also. Come here.
Yes.
You think I don't know how to slap? 4,3 is in which quadrant? First quadrant. This is first quadrant, no? Sleeping and 4, -1 also is in quadrant. And -3. Shh. Where is the positive part of y? Oh, where is the positive part of y? Pencil, scale, pencil is there. Give it. This is plus or minus. This is plus. First time you see. This is minus. All wrong now. All wrong. First time being done, man. This is which axis? Next one, bring it. You bring it here. Are you able to do? Hello? Can you do? I will tell lesson. Go. Take. Your portions at least. See the painting is going on. Very nice. Akash, where is the book? I didn't see the book.
Sorry, the checking has.
I was checking means you cannot bring it down. Why plus minus you are writing? This is minus 3. Do you stand over there, okay? X is minus 3, no? Minus 3, 2, minus 3, 2 is here. Today both are sleeping out. I'll call mommy. Minus 3, 2 means where? What is it? The pencil or something else? It will come out. You press.
Yeah.
Give it. Then this. Oh, now here other special line. Right here. You don't mind. 4 minus 2. Have you seen? Array 5, 0, V to her. X axis. Take. Nandana. Wait, Nandana. Did you change it? Changing. Stop right drawing. Nandana. This is what? This is what? 0 origin. This is what? X. This is X dash. Y. Y dash. After drawing the lines, you have this much is the first step. Hello? Listen. Then plot the points. Whatever required. 1. This is positive. This is positive. Naina. Are you listening? 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay. Check. A is 4, 3. X 4, Y 3. You will write. Yes or no? Check. Minus 2, 1. Second quadrant, minus 2 and 1. Is which one? B. C 4, minus 1. D minus 3, minus 2. E 5, 0. You know where is 5, 0? It is on x axis. X axis means here. Okay. E. Then F 0, minus 4. G minus 2, 0. Have you seen? Don't make mistakes again. Pakka. Okay. Yes. Anand, what is this point?
Sir, 1 minus 2.
1 minus 2. Akash, what is this point?
It's 0 2.
0 2. Naina, what is this point?
Zero, 1.
It is on which axis?
X-axis.
X axis means which value is 0?
Y.
Y value is its second gunner. 1 0. Understood or not? Nandana, what is this point?
0 minus
0 minus 3. Don't make mistake. Understood or not? Be careful. Coordinate geometry, again I am telling you. It's a simple one, but very easy to make mistake. Okay. Close the graph for the time being. Open your volume. Open. Anand. Page number. Mr.
40.
41. What happened? Quick. Not broad. No, she is searching and searching. Come and share with us now. Okay. Yeah. We'll start. Anand, start from the introduction.
introduction. We have already learned how to locate a point on a real number line and also to find the position of a point on the number line. In this chapter, we shall study to locate a point on a plane and to find the position of a point on the plane.
Already we studied the point number line, we studied. Now we are going to locate on the plane. This much is clear. Okay, continue reading.
Have to find out the position of a mango tree P of this garden.
Have you seen P of the garden? Mango tree, have you seen? Okay, then continue.
This tree is 4 meters from the AD boundary, but this information is not enough to identify the position of the tree. After knowing its distance from AD boundary, that is 7 meters, we can find out exact position of mango tree.
Have we followed? Okay, then that means we need two informations. One from the left boundary and the bottom boundary. We need two distances. Then only you can identify. Okay, continue.
In a city, there
Okay, now continue, Akash.
In a city, there is a main road running east-west direction and streets with numbering from west to east. On this street, house numbers are marked. Arun knows that his uncle's house is on street number 3, but it is not easy to locate the house unless the house number is known. When his uncle's house number is known, then Arun can reach uncle's house by going in street number 3 and to the house number 6. So here it is 2 pieces of information about the location of house.
So here also you have given 2 pieces of the information. Akash, it's difficult to read. Huh? Let's continue.
Suppose we have we have to find out the position of a dot on the sheet of paper.
Read properly now. Suppose we have to find a dot.
Of a dot on the sheet of paper. The dot is 6 centimeters away from the left edge of the paper. It gives us some idea about the position of the dot, but this information does not give us the exact position of the dot. We can identify the position of the dot only if we give one more information, namely the dot is 10 centimeters from the bottom edge of the paper. So here 2 pieces of information are required.
So that means here also you need two pieces of information. Yes or no? Sandana continue. Please, right now.
Shipper purchases a ticket for the movie from the party. The status of the ticket by using two items. So row number 6, in which she says number of seats is 8 in that bottom H.
Little slow.
The position of the seat would be written 6,8. First writing the row number and then the seat number. Raja also purchases a ticket for a movie Mangal Pandey and the position of the seat can be written as 8,6. The position of two seats are given by 6,8 and 8,6. These are different seats. So we can say 6,8 is not equal to 8,6. This means that the order of 6 and 8 is an important on 6,8. Therefore, 6,8 is an ordered pair. From the above examples, as we observe that the position of any object lying in a plane can be represented with the help of two perpendicular lines, the simple idea has been noted the coordinate geometry. This chapter will discuss the basic concepts of coordinate geometry.
So two informations and again 6,8 and 8,6 are not the same thing. Understood or not? That's one. Continue Nandana. She did not take anything to read for her notes.
Here, that class.
Sorry. Now follow this condition. Okay, classwork exercise. First question. Arena, read now.
How will you describe the position of table and position table on the person?
Tell me away.
The position of table lamp on your study table is one of the person.
People of fast and furious people. So how will you explain?
Well, two sides, left and right, or
So you will, this is your table lamp. First you, huh?
yes.
So this is a study table.
Yes.
Yes or no? So first you have to write, this is your study table. You have to write yourself. Study table. What is the shape of the study table? Rectangle. Okay. Rectangle whose length is equal to how much? Whose breadth is equal to how much? Okay. 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter or 80 centimeter. Then you will mark. You will make a rectangle over there. Mark the position. Let's say here. This is the position. The different depends. Okay. This is a B. Okay. Okay. This girl is the study table. B. Then from here, mark how much. This is 80, so it should be less than 80, maybe 60 or something. This is 100, it should be less than this one. Then you this is let's say 80 centimeter. Then you have to tell the switch position of my study table is P. P is at a distance of 80 centimeter from the left edge and 60 centimeter from the bottom edge. That will be able to tell. Okay, you are on your try. Are you followed?
Very good. I didn't understand the left and right.
This is what?
The
Left.
Y-axis, yeah.
Left. This is what?
Also, how we want that those dimensions
Dimension you decide, no?
in the 160.
That is up to you now. You check your study table, right? My study table is 160 dimension. Okay, you can write anything here. You write my study table like this. What do you write? He's not finished. Oh, hero, I am asking you. What is the length of your study table? Tell something now. I said 100 centimeter. You don't like 100, okay, take 110 centimeter. 200 centimeter. Happy. Or you see 200 is more than 150. 100 is more, not too small, okay? And red also. Make a rectangle. Understood or not? That is, you can write yourself. No need to write now. That you will do yourself. Understood? Okay. Next, second question. Who will read? Akash.
A city has two main boards with
You are not, read Anand. Loudly is not reading.
The city has main roads which cross each other at the center of the city. These two roads are along the north-south direction and
One thing, please also read and make it the figure and make it that one. Okay. Try to make all of you. Please to make it. Nothing homework over there now. And all my dear people, Saturday, Sunday, Monday enjoyed and clean now. Okay. What did you do at home?
No, I was just, yeah. No, I was saying that Mondays too.
Oh, so Sunday, oh, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. What did you do? Fighting with brother and sisters. Then what did you do? You did anything? Mommy asked,
As in school of not.
mommy shouted at you, go and do study. Then you must have said, sir said nothing to do. My name also must have taken. Then, mommy did not help to study. Which mommy doesn't help to study?
No, she told me study.
Then you said, huh? Not maths. Then you study some other subject. Which subject?
I studied SSD and I had one already over in subject.
चलो हाँ homework I was telling you. Looking at you have polynomial how many things are pending? Your MCQ exercise completed or is it completed? Otherwise, speak this week.
No.
Nowadays, today these people also. Otherwise, they are the people who used to give me answer to reply. So I also happy they are giving answers. But they also lazy. You did not eat anything after that.
Oh,
Mommy did not cook anything and give after school.
feeling,
Huh?
feeling wanted.
Why? Nice. She must have asked you to eat rice.
Yeah.
You didn't want to eat rice.
Not to anything.
The burger was there. Pizza. Like this one. Then what
I
do you
don't
like?
like your.
Then what do you like? Idli.
You.
Idli. Then what do you like? Nothing you eat. So in the page, let me otherwise you took next year also. Page number 33, take 32, you take 31, you take 31 is taken. That homework exercise is completed.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
How about the miscellaneous exercise? Not done. How many questions are there in the miscellaneous exercise?
20
28 sums. So when can we complete these 28 sums?
by next
Next year?
next week.
Friday.
One thing, next week, then you can appear for then 9th standard exam, after next year. Why? You know how many you will tell next week will come, then I will ask you to do multiple choice. You will tell another week.
No, my.
You have a chance. Then numerical problem, another week. Practice questions, another week. So this is 4 weeks. 1 month will be over. Then I will start the coordinate job. Another month. This way, by the end of December, end of February, 3 chapters will be over. This way means, your brother also will come to 9th standard. And what is your brother will come like 5th standard. So, when did you do? Total
No,
answer-
actually, if we do 10 questions today,
Ah.
10 questions tomorrow, then by Wednesday it will
20 questions.
28.
20 questions complete here. Then tell them 20 I done.
Wednesday.
Okay. Even if my target is 20 questions. If you want to more, what? Okay. Till 20. Okay. Till 20 completely. If you feel that sir, when I was doing, so it was easy. I did till 28 also fine, no problem. But till 20 you have to do. That means you can now. So next week, man. So I called your brother. What is another hatch? Huh? Taharsh. Okay. Then this street plan also you have to make, okay? Street plan and the table, that is only 2 minutes. Even you can, when you come Wednesday, come over here and sit and do it also. 5 minutes. Just simple array, what make a rectangle? My table lamp is ABCD, it's a rectangle. So table lamp is like study table, whose length is equal to this per centimeter, that's the equal length. In that one mark a point P, 1 minute will be over. Then the P is nice table lamp. P is at the distance of how many centimeter from the left edge, it is, let's say, whatever centimeter. You don't like I said 60, you don't like 60, you find 70 centimeter or whatever. from P. Street plan, let's see what is it. Okay, now? Okay, next, continue. Start with Anand. Cartesian system. Listen carefully. Don't make mistake. So I think some people mark X axis, Y axis and all. I don't want to take the names. I seen some people doesn't know how to mark the coordinates. 5, 0 and all. Yeah. So the lot of everyone had made mistake. Okay, not one of. No more mistakes. Okay. Okay, listen.
Partition system, you have studied the.
Cartesian system. You know what you mean by Cartesian system? We are going to study. Okay.
You have studied the number line in the chapter on number system. On the number line, distances from a fixed point are marked in equal units, positively in one direction and negatively in the other. Point from which the distances are marked is called the origin.
Origin. Okay.
We use the number line to represent the numbers by marking points on a line at equal distances. If 1 unit distance represents the number 1, then 3 unit distances represents the.
1 unit distance means distance between 0 and 1. Okay. 3 distance is 3.
Being at the point.
0 being at the origin.
The point in the positive direction at a distance r from the origin represents the number r. The point in the negative direction at a distance r from the origin represents the number negative r. Location of different numbers.
Just only they said, okay, if it is a 3 or 5 units in the positive direction, it is plus 5. Distance 5 units in the negative direction, minus 5. That's all, plus 5. On the number line is shown there. The figure have we seen? Is already done now. Next page figure have we seen? Answer, next page is here. Have we seen? Next, read darker shade, next page.
The Cartesian plane or the coordinate plane on the XY.
Cartesian plane, coordinate plane, XY plane. All of them are same. Okay, Akash is going to read. Little loudly. You read, shout in the home now. Oh.
That means.
Then after you shouted, you scream at mommy, na?
No. No, that.
Read.
When we choose these two lines to locate a point in the plane in this chapter, one line will be horizontal and the other will be vertical, as in figure. These lines are actually obtained as take two number lines, calling them x, comma x,
X comma X9.
x,
X dash X. What is it?
x dash x,
Uh,
and y dash x.
Y dash?
Sorry, y dash y.
Uh,
Place
what is X dash X?
the
Exact.
Horizontal line X axis. And Y dash Y is the vertical line Y axis. Okay.
place x dash l x horizontal as in figure and write the numbers on it just as written on the number line. We do the same thing with y dash y except that y dash y is vertical, not horizontal. Combine both the lines in such a way that the two lines cross each other and their zeros or origins figure. The horizontal line x dash x is called the x axis and the vertical line y dash y is called the y axis. The point where x dash x and y dash y cross is called the origin and is denoted by O. Since the positive numbers lie on the directions OX and OY, OX and OY are called the positive directions of the x-axis and the y-axis respectively. Similarly, OX dash and OY dash are called the negative directions of the x-axis and the y-axis respectively. We call the plane the Cartesian plane or the coordinate plane or the XY plane.
So what is this plane called? Cartesian plane or coordinate plane or XY plane. And
The axis.
axis or axis? Axis. Plural is axis. Axis is singular. Okay.
The axis are called the coordinate axis.
What is the meaning of coordinate axis? What is the meaning of coordinate axis?
axis and y-axis.
X axis and y axis are called the coordinate axis. Cartesian plane means what? The XY plane. Plane which is consists of x axis and y axis. Okay, origin you know. So it is clear. Okay, little slow. Okay, yours is 100 meter per hour, 80 meter per hour.
The axis divide the plane into 4 parts.
Heading is not done. Quadrant. Okay.
The axis divide the plane into 4 parts. These 4 parts are called quadrants. So the plane consists of axis and quadrants. The plane is called the Cartesian plane or the coordinate plane or the XY plane. These axes are called the coordinate axis. A quadrant is 1/4 part of a plane divided by coordinate axis.
So a plane contains quadrants and axes. Isn't it? X axis, Y axis does not belong to any quadrant. We wrote now last class. Okay. Continue.
XOY is called the first quadrant. YOX dash the second. X dash OY dash the third. Y dash OX the fourth as marked in the given figure.
You know it. Very good. Okay, all of you know. No problem. Sure. Okay. Then next is
Coordinate of-
Okay.
So as
Oh, sorry. 9 months.
coordinate of the point. Consider the following diagram and the axes are drawn on the graphic. Let us see the distances of the point P in Q with the axis.
So
For this,
loudly and slowly.
we draw perpendiculars PM on the x-axis and PN on the y-axis. Similarly, we draw perpendiculars QR and QS as shown in figure. We find that perpendicular distances of the point P from the y-axis measured along the positive direction on the x-axis is Pn equals to OM equals to 4 units.
Have you seen all of you?
Yes.
Okay, what's being called? Okay, next.
The perpendicular distance of the point P from the x-axis measured along the positive direction of the x-axis is the perpendicular distance of the point from the x-axis measured along the positive direction of the y-axis is Pm equals to OM equals to 3 units. The perpendicular distance of the point Q from the y-axis measured along the negative direction of the x-axis is O1 equals SQ equals 6 units.
6 units.
Perpendicular distance of the point Q to the x-axis measured along the negative direction of the y-axis is OS equals R2 equals 2 units.
Okay.
We write the coordinates of a point using the following convention. The x-coordinate of a point is its perpendicular distance of the y-axis measured along the x-axis. For the point P, it is positive along the positive direction of the x-axis and negative along the negative direction of the x-axis.
Okay, these are only know. X coordinate is called you know see X coordinate is called abscissa. You see it's written out there. And you look out there now. Y coordinate is called coordinate. Have you seen? Okay. Then in stating third condition, coordinate. X coordinate come first, Y coordinate second. Yes or no? The coordinate of P are ordered by 4,3 Q are -6 -2. Have you seen all of you? Okay. Not that coordinate describe the plane uniquely. Means only one point. 3,4 points. Only one point you can see. And but not and next is 3,4 and 4,3 are different. These all things have you seen? Next is continue origin.
It is the point O of intersection of the axis of coordinates. It has zero distance on both the axes so that it is abscissa and ordinates are both 0. Therefore, the coordinates of the origin are 0,
0,0. Okay. So Anand, coordinate of a point on axis.
point on axis.
You read na from there.
Since every point on the x-axis has no distance from the x-axis, therefore the y-coordinate of every point lying on the x-axis is always 0. Thus, the coordinates of any point on the x-axis are of the form x0, where x is the distance of the point from the y-axis.
These are we discussed now. On x-axis, the point is of the form x, 0. On y-axis, the point is of the form 0, y. Yes or no?
Yes.
Then rules of the for signs we discussed first quadrant, second quadrant. No problem now. Okay, we will come to the solved exercises there. Come to the unsolved exercise. Open your notebook. Taken. Ankush, first question, read and give the answer.
Write the answer of each of the following questions. What are the needs of horizontal and vertical lines drawn to determine the position of any point in the Cartesian plane?
Answer.
Uh,
Ah.
X-axis.
Horizontal line,
Horizontal line is x-axis and vertical line is y-axis.
why you are doing abscissa? Abscissa is what? X coordinate. X axis is different. What is the difference between x axis and x coordinate?
X coordinate is the track.
X coordinate is the bracket. What is the difference between x axis and x coordinate?
X axis is the horizontal and X coordinate is on the X axis.
X axis is a line, horizontal line. X coordinate means only one number. Are you followed? When you write the point 4,3, there 4 is called. Abscissa, forget x coordinate. What is it? Is it x axis or x coordinate or x coordinate? Then what is x axis? The line. What is x dash axis? Understood or not? Do not confuse. So what is it? Horizontal line is the x axis, vertical line is y axis. Oblique thing. Okay, second one. Nandana.
What is the name of each part of the plane formed by these two lines? Quadrant.
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 Quadrant. Okay, did you write? Naina.
Write the name of the point where these two lines intersect. Origin.
Origin. Followed all of you? Yes. Question 2. Mr.
See figure and write the following.
Okay, you can write now, see the figure and write. All of you. 8 parts are there. 8 2s are 16 seconds is enough. Okay, 20 seconds. I need answer. Coordinate of B means I will write B is, where is B? What is the coordinate of B? What is the coordinate of B? Who got? I got it. What is the coordinate of B?
Minus 5 comma
Minus 5. So your answer will be this way. B minus 5 comma 2. This way, right? Okay, continue. All of you. Complete. Done. All of you. Anand, Akash. Which part are you doing?
the second.
Done. Done. Oh, hello, hero.
Yes, sir.
Done.
That's
Your last one, what is it? Your last second last. Okay, done. Okay. Nandan, who read? I think you read. Anand, second part.
Coordinates of C.
Hmm.
Coordinates of C, I got 5 comma minus.
5 comma minus 5. Third part, correct.
Yeah.
And the third part.
A minus 3 comma minus 5.
A is A. E.
Yeah.
E is the minus 3 minus 5. Fourth part. Next,
Point interval coordinate 2 comma minus 4 G.
G is 2 comma minus 4. Next one.
The abscissa of point D is 6.
A abscissa point D is 6. Correct. Next one.
The coordinate of the point H is 3 minus 3.
H is ordinate minus 3. Correct. Next,
L 0 or comma 5.
L is 0 comma 5. Next, minus 3 comma 0. All of you go. Okay, do the second, third question. Quick, quick. Let's finish it up. Done.
Then the
Naina,
abscissa of point P 2.
2. Anand,
5.
what? Ordinate.
Coordinate
Akash,
Coordinate is P 2 comma
2 comma 5. Next question. All of you do. Fourth one. Right, fast, fast. Done. Fine. Time over. The point B, 1 point only now. 5 seconds. Why?
auxiliary.
Huh? Oh, you-
Would have
done. Which question? Fourth only these two are doing? How much time is it? Done. Why are you writing over there? Hello? Cheating. Book only you have to write. You do not write anything in the book. Why? Okay. Who is the next person to tell? You. Nandana. Okay.
Abscissa is 4.
Abscissa is 4 is wrong. Abscissa is 4 is written all of you.
Minus 4.
Minus 4. Negative side na. Okay. It is on X dash now minus 4. Now, Naina,
Coordinate is minus
minus 3. Understood? Then
3.
coordinate. Minus 4 comma minus 3. Understood all of you? Careful. They mark 4, 3 and all. Where you have to identify. That's very important. Okay, next one. Fifth one. There are 4 different points. Abscissa, ordinate, coordinate. Or P, Q, R, S. Do it. For the first is for P. Right for P. Abscissa, ordinate, coordinate. Then for Q. No? For P, what is the abscissa? 1, ordinate, 3, coordinate, 1 comma 3. You have to check the coordinate Q. Let's I to tell the writing you can do. Abscissa for Q, abscissa -3, coordinate 5, coordinate -3 comma 5. है ना? For R, abscissa -8, coordinate -5, coordinate -8 comma -5. Yes, abscissa 8, coordinate -7, and the coordinate is 8 comma -7. Hope you got it. Pakka. Yes or no? Like that. Homework is already given to you. Yes or no? Are hello.
Yes,
Please, pencil, I will buy one pencil for you. No, so screen I will buy one screen for you. Remind us to. You will remind? Sure. Okay, so next class also bring the graph. Chalo, bye, see you in the next class. Diwali. The friends are here.
एक बार काटेंगे तुमने एक सेकंड देखो दिखा दिखा